Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I customize this wig from ISHOW hair from start to finish. We're going to install it, we're going to bleach the knots, customize the hairline. We're doing all of it today. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I'm going to link the hair in the description box. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Let's go ahead and get into this video. The company we'll be working with today is ISHOW Hair. They actually reached out to me and sent me this 24-inch loose deep wave wig. You all know I love that texture. So this is actually my first time trying ISHOW hair, working with ISHOW hair. It comes with a cute little card. You get a discount, some wig caps, and the wig is protected in this plastic bag. Okay, the hair is looking luxurious and soft. So this is actually a 13x4 wig. You get a lot of parting space. I will probably end up taking out the combs because it usually pulls my hair out since I don't wear wig caps, but the wig has a lot of stretch. Great for big-headed people like me. So you all see it's flowing, it's flowing, it's flowing. I'm gonna get right to the nitty gritty and put this wig inside out on the wig cap so we can bleach these knots. So for our bleach, I'm using 1 1/4 scoop of BW2 bleaching powder and 50 volume developer because we want this to hurry up and bleach, you guys. So I like to use a butter knife, and my rule of thumb is like if you can lift the butter knife up, you don't want any of the bleach consistency to slip off the knife is my thing. If it's staying on the knife, that means it is thick enough to not seep through the knots on the wig. And here is why I like to use a butter knife. So we're gonna take the bleach and we're just gonna spread it on the lace, you guys. We're not just working it in too much, but we're basically icing a cake right now. And the major key here is to bring the bleach in front of the hairline because it's always little knots there that just don't get bleached. That's probably the most important part, is like the front of the hairline. So just cover all of the lace in this bleach. We're gonna leave it for about 45 minutes and then we're gonna rinse it out. "45 minutes later, we're rinsing off all of that bleach. And BW2 makes the knots like kind of this brassy tone, but we want to tone our knots to make it like more silvery and to blend better. So that's why we're going in with purple shampoo. We're going to spread it on the lace, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse it off again. "15 minutes later, we are rinsing off that purple shampoo, and now we're gonna begin plucking the hairline. Okay, so I actually did this the next day, and by then the hair was dry, and I always like my hair a little damp when I'm plucking the knots so I don't put a hole in the lace. So I just decided to pour a little water on there, and then we're gonna start plucking. You can use a spray bottle too, but I just decided to use the cup because it was near me. Okay, so I kind of combined Arrogant Tay's methods for plucking wigs and mine. So I parted like maybe that first ½ inch off the hairline, and I like to stand behind the head and kind of grip the hair backwards with one hand. So I think that's my left hand. Yeah. Grip the hair with my left hand, pulling it back or adding some tension, and then plucking with the other hand. So you see me doing that throughout this, but I'm just going to continuously do that method, just plucking all across the hairline, thinning it out a little bit. And you can kind of tell what places need to be plucked a little more. So I'm plucking right at the line, and I'm plucking a little bit inside of the hair. My hands got a little tired doing this, but that's what I'm going to be doing on each side. So I brought that little front piece I made in the hair to the back to kind of see my progress and see what places really need to be plucked a little more. Like I can see where I need to thin out the hair if it's just a little too much of a clump. Okay, so now we're gonna move in the middle. So this part, you're not gonna pluck that much. So almost everybody's like side of their hair, the temples onto the sideburn area, are all way thinner than the middle. So that's what we're gonna do. Pulling it backwards to see how far we came along, you can see it's thinning out some, but not too much. We're just gonna pluck into the hair to kind of thin it out a little more, create some like definition, some variation of thickness here and there. And we're just gonna do that all throughout the top. And we're going to do the same thing to the side, plucking a little heavier like we did on the opposite side when we get to the temple area. You can almost see like a widow's peak type of part or front hairline coming through with this plucking method. Okay, so the wig is on. I think I kind of feel like going with the middle part right now. Like you can see, I kind of already put it in. This wig does have like a lot of parting space. I'll give it that. So I plan on going in with my tweezers again. I do this on the mannequin head sometimes. Well, usually most of the time, but that's if I know I'm going to have a middle part. But right now, well, I wasn't sure today. To get some of the hair out of the way, I'm gonna take just this clip, just the hair in the front, kind of just pin it back. And you all know I install my wigs like the easiest way possible because I reinstall them like every day. So I'm gonna section this into threes. So at one temple, we're gonna make a slit. At the other temple, we're gonna make another slit. But, okay, we're gonna spray right on the hairline. The got to be glue, free spray. I feel like this angle is really good for you all to see what I'm doing. Okay, you all see like that little wet, you can see where it's wet. We're gonna blow dry it. Okay, so that's one layer. We're gonna do it again. Same thing. You may want to like kind of press it down with a comb as you're blow drying it just to make sure it really melts into the skin. Okay, so we're not gonna actually do it a third time yet. You all know like I like to do it 3 times, but we're gonna go ahead and razor this. We'll like cut this part off using an eyebrow razor. It's $1 at the local beauty supply. So we're gonna kind of split up and follow through with the hairline. We're cutting close to the hairline today, you guys. So yeah, you see how it's like kind of hanging off. We got a little excess space right there. So we're gonna spray this down. Got a little excess. Spray this down, hit it again with the freeze spray. And then we're gonna push it down while we're blow drying it. Y'all see it melting. Y'all see how it melted right there, you guys? This is the easiest way to do it, I promise you. Ooh, okay, so we're gonna repeat this process with the other 2 sections. We gotta spice up this wig and kind of finesse it a little bit. So what I need to do is pluck this part a little more to make the middle part even more prevalent. gonna take the eyebrow razor and kind of shave a little bit down for the little baby hairs we created. We're gonna take our gel. I like to use gel. This is just the way I do it. Okay, and we want to make the curl pattern pop again since we've just been combing it a lot, so I'm going to spray a little water. Okay. Not a lot because this isn't curly hairs. Then we're going to go in with a little mousse to just style this hair the way we want it to be styled. So usually I use a hot comb, but you could use mousse and a blow dryer if you like kind of press down the hair the way you want it to mold down. Damn, you see? It's like almost like the same effect if you use the hot comb. Then we need to do the same thing on this side. So I feel like my part isn't just like popping, so I'm gonna use a little concealer on it. So I love this brush. I don't know what brush this is, but the back has like this kind of spongy thing, and that's what I use to kind of blend the concealer in. Then the other side is this rectangular brush. Okay, and just like that, we are done, you guys. It's giving like kind of, you could flip it over because it is a frontal and it's just serving you guys. Like, maybe do a half up, half down type of, okay, this is cute. Maybe I should do this. That's cute. But thank you all so much for watching. Once again, this hair is from ISHOW Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Thank you all so much for watching and have a great day, you guys. Bye.